If you've started noticing that your vision feels worse in the morning than it did the night before, that's not random. And it's not always just old age. Many people over 60 don't realize that some of the most important changes in the eye happen quietly at night, while you're sleeping. During sleep, your eyes are supposed to repair. But if circulation is reduced or oxidative stress is high, the retina doesn't get the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Over time, that leads to blurry mornings, glare at night, dry eyes, and faded colors. It feels like aging, but it's often cellular stress. The encouraging part is this: certain fruits contain nutrients that support retinal cells, improve blood flow, and protect the macula, especially when eaten before bed. Let's go through them. Golden kiwi is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients act like internal sunglasses for your retina. They filter harmful light and protect delicate photoreceptor cells. Eating 2 golden kiwis about an hour before sleep can help supply those protective compounds when your eyes enter repair mode. Watermelon is mostly water, but it also contains lycopene. Lycopene supports healthy blood vessels and may help reduce oxidative stress inside retinal tissue. A cup in the evening, without added salt, can support hydration and circulation overnight. Black currants are packed with anthocyanins. These deep purple pigments support blood flow to the optic nerve and may help with night vision adaptation. If fresh berries are hard to find, standardized extracts are often used in research settings. Wild blueberries contain powerful antioxidants that can cross into retinal tissue. They help protect against gradual light-induced damage. About half a cup in the evening works well. Try not to mix them with dairy, as calcium may interfere with absorption. Red flesh dragon fruit supports nitric oxide production, which helps small blood vessels widen. Better circulation means better oxygen delivery to the retina during sleep. The deep red varieties contain the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Goji berries are especially rich in zeaxanthin, which concentrates in the macula, the center of your vision. Soaking a small portion in warm water before eating may improve digestion and absorption. Papaya may be one of the most underrated fruits for aging eyes. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, along with natural enzymes that may help reduce glycation, a process linked to cloudy lenses and early cataract changes. Eating fresh papaya about an hour before bed allows those nutrients to circulate while your eyes repair overnight. Now here's something most people miss. How you eat these fruits matters just as much as what you eat. Avoid combining them with heavy dairy right before bed. Pair them with a small amount of healthy fat like walnuts to improve absorption. Eat them about 60 to 90 minutes before sleeping. Let refrigerated fruit come closer to room temperature before eating. Wash gently so you don't remove the antioxidant-rich outer layers. These small adjustments can significantly improve how much your body actually uses the nutrients. Blurry vision after 60 is common. But steady decline is not inevitable. Your eyes are living tissue. They respond to circulation, nutrients, inflammation levels, and nightly repair cycles. Supporting them consistently, especially before sleep, may help maintain clarity, comfort, and independence for years to come. If your vision became even a little sharper, what would you enjoy most? Reading without strain? Driving at night with confidence? Seeing your family clearly across the room? Let me know in the comments.